Autumn paints the landscape in golden hues as tree leaves gracefully descend. How can you efficiently manage this abundance? The answer lies with the wood chipper. It swiftly shreds fallen leaves, transforming them into organic fertilizer or mulch, rejuvenating your yard. With its efficient shredding, you save time. Its recyclability promotes sustainability. It's eco-friendly with low noise and emissions. With the wood chipper by your side, yard cleaning becomes effortless. Embrace the beauty of autumn leaves and let the wood chipper create a refreshing experience. Choose the wood chipper and witness the magic of freshness.